This episode tackles the myth that cracking knuckles leads to arthritis, a claim echoed through generations and childhood dare routines. Experts explain that the sound comes from tiny gas bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid, not from bones wearing down. Long-term studies find no significant increase in osteoarthritis among habitual crackers, although repeated force can cause soft tissue irritation. The myth lingers in viral clips and gym chatter, yet radiographs and longitudinal data debunk the arthritis link. Bottom line, a gentle knuckle crack is unlikely to trigger arthritis and won't ruin joints, though it may annoy others.